Denim Tears has nothing on T-shirt help desk and Supercolor. We are going to take this and we're going to turn it into an awesome floral set.
T-shirt help desk.
What's up, guys? In this video, we are going to talk about how you can take things that are trending for someone else and flip it and see if you can get it to work for you. Now, what this has to do with is there is a brand out right now named Denim Tears. Okay, now this brand is crazy. It is the hottest thing out. Celebrities, rappers, anybody who thinks that they're anybody is wearing this stuff, okay? It was founded by a gentleman by the name of Tremaine Emery. He used to work for Stussy. He was the creative director at Supreme, I believe, and he left, went out on his own, started something, and it blew up, all right? So I am going to show you how you can do something similar, but without biting styles. Let me show you. Now, for Denim Tears, right, and you can see that they have this hoodies and everything with this white puff flower. I didn't want a straight bite like that, so I used a tropical flower. So I went over here to Dreamstime and I put in tropical flower. And I just went crazy looking to see something that can give that Denim Tears look without biting so hard. And we got this one. So I took that and I downloaded it, and you have this. I didn't want to use it as is, so I went in and I released the clipping mask, and I just took everything and I got rid of the background, and I started to play around and manipulate, and I got something that looks like this. And this is what we sent to Supercolor. Jumbo prints that you get at Super DTF, right? First thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set this up for our top. So I'm gonna lay this out. And this is a raglan. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna lay this out so that I don't have to worry about printing. You can print over the seams, but for right now, I don't wanna print over the seams. So I'm gonna take our artwork and we're gonna cut it up. So we're gonna lay our artwork out, and I'm just gonna, this part right here, I'm gonna cut this out, and we're gonna use this later. Perfect. So what I'm doing right here, since I have all these flowers, right, I'm just gonna cut them out and place them everywhere that I need them on the front. All right, so right here, we're gonna give this a pre-press, and then we're gonna bring all this back. Smooth, flat surface. So we're gonna lay this out. We might as well just cut half, just print half of this and bring it back. The press is 320 for 15 seconds. Now let's peel. One by one, we peel them off because this is a lot of flowers, but the end result is gonna look awesome. It looks really good. Okay, so now we're gonna take that extra part that we cut off and we're gonna print over the kangaroo pocket. But before that, let me tell you about a little something. Which brings us to our sponsor, Start a T-shirt Business or Die Trying. 10th anniversary edition, guys. The book has been updated with so much information, all the great information from the original book, but updated with current up-to-date information, especially the implementation of AI. But wait, there's more. There's also the new companion book, the Start a T-shirt Business or Die Trying workbook, sketchbook, and journal, to where you literally can open it up, answer the questions, write in everything, do the sketches, and literally by the time the book is over, you will have a blueprint and roadmap to starting the t-shirt business, okay? They go together like peanut butter and jelly. Start a t-shirt business to die trying, 10th anniversary edition, and the companion workbook, sketchbook, and journal. Available on Amazon.com. Back to the video. Take that little piece and put it right there. Now let's make it happen. Woo! That looks really, 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 really good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to individually put our flowers where we want them to go. Good Lord, that looks bomb. All right, so now let's do some sleeves. All those pieces that we cut off, we're just going to place those individually on the sleeve to get something that looks really good. And we're going to do the other side. So that too. Look at that. All right, so now let's do some pants. And once the sleeves are done, let's do these pants and let's make a full set. Beautiful. This is streetwear, baby. Now, it looks good with me holding them, but I think it might look better with somebody wearing them. Hey, Jay! Jay! You mind rocking that for me? Looking good. Thanks, Jay. So anyway, guys, I fooled around with y'all long enough. If you want to get your own brand popping, go right down to the link, go to Super DTF, send them some artwork. You get it in a couple of days and it's a little of nothing. Very affordable to do Super DTF and you'll be on your way, all right? Anyway, guys, I fooled around with y'all long enough. I'm gonna put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door. And make sure you watch this video right here. You're really gonna enjoy it. Until next time, peace. God bless.
T-shirt Hope Desk.